This is probably the most important shortcut for your Rivian if you haven't subscribed to Rivian's Connect Plus service. Connecting your Rivian to your phone's hotspot can feel like a hassle, but did you know that if you're using an iPhone, you can set up a Siri shortcut to automatically connect your vehicle to your phone's hotspot? Here's how. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Then tap the Automation tab and press the plus button in the top right corner. Next, find Bluetooth by scrolling or using the search bar and select it. On the new page, choose Rivian Audio as the device to trigger the automation. This way, every time your phone's Bluetooth connects to your Rivian, the automation will start. Press Done to save. Back on the Bluetooth page, change Run After Confirmation to Run Immediately. Tap Next, then select Add Action and search for Set Personal Hotspot. Choose Turn Personal Hotspot On as the action. Press Done, and now your phone will automatically connect to your Rivian to your hotspot without having to manually go into settings and turn it on. It's all automatic. And if you want to customize this further, you can build on the script. For example, if you want a specific playlist to start playing every time you get into the car, just go back into the script, add a new action, and choose Play Music with your selected playlist. The possibilities are endless. You could add actions that activate navigation, turn on Do Not Disturb mode, or even send a text message when you start your vehicle. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Rivian news and tips. And remember, adventure is always out there.